Welcome back everyone to Pontos Fathom Hobbies. This is our miniature paint through for the Tainted Grail Red Death expansion miniatures. So we've got three miniatures here. We've got the Plague Beast, showing you the sort of the raw gray mini here. We've also got the Danse Macabre. I believe we had similar to this in the Monsters of Avalon box set as well. But we got to paint this guy up. I'm going to start out with the Zenithal Prime for these guys. And then lastly, we've got the Fomorian Sentinel. And this is that Sentinel here. This is a very interesting, odd. It's got like a crab on its shoulder. It's got seaweed dragging off of its armor. Very, very strange monsters here. So we're gonna get these painted. I'm just wrapping up the final chapters of Tainted Grail: Fall of Avalon, and I was thinking to go into either Age of Legends or Last Night, but I heard that you can go into this Red Death expansion, so we're gonna jump into that next. I'm gonna hit these with some flat black primer first. I'll let these set a little bit, but then I'm going to hit them with some flat white here as well. For Zenithal Prime. Do a quick look at these just Zenithal primed as well. Yeah, so for the Sentinel, you can see there's that crab on the shoulder. I'm really looking forward to painting this one. It's very strange. Like, it's almost like it's a phase between the water and the earth. And we got the Plague Beast as well, kind of looking disgusting. Kind of reminds me of some of the Joan of Arc Apocalypse minis. So we'll start getting some base coats on these and jump right into it. We'll use these photos as a reference. The Sentinel, I'm going to hit him with this copper color for his armor and shield, and then I'm going to use his mail. I'm going to use a kind of a metallic blue to give it an ocean kind of look, because he definitely has this sea creature kind of vibe to him. Plague Beast, I'll give him a base coat of just a flesh color. Mix up some of this crab kind of orange with some red and yellow and hit that crab. And then I'm going to hit the other minis with some washes, get a green cloak for the Plague Beast and also a different kind of shade for the Danse Macabre. I'm using a flesh shade for the Danse Macabre and for the Plague Beast, and I'm also using a little bit on the Sentinel, but I'm also using some Nuln Oil on that as well. And we'll take a look at these minis. Some seaweed and some ocean effects on the Sentinel. Did some more washes on the other two just to kind of highlight it. These are looking pretty good. Let's do some hero shots and I'll see you guys at the very end of the video. I'm liking how these came out. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Let me know. Thanks everyone for making it to the end of the video. That's going to wrap it up for this paint through. Leave a message down below, like and subscribe to get notified when we play Red Death. Check out our bookstore and our Patreon, and we will see you in gameplay. Bye-bye.